In most cases, a detailed drawing is what stands between you and getting your product manufactured. Let's take a look at several time-saving, productivity-boosting enhancements to drawings and MBD in SOLIDWORKS 2026. Now you can leverage the power of AI to automatically generate drawings of native SOLIDWORKS models or imported geometry. To get started, choose one or more parts and assemblies and select the auto-generate drawings from the pop-up menu. The process runs in the background, so your drawings get created while you continue to work. The other common steps of creating the drawing, laying out model views, and even basic detailing can now be delegated to an AI-based batch process. SOLIDWORKS Design predicts the best fit template and sheet size, or you can use your own preferred template. Views are automatically scaled and placed to minimize overlap. Using AI-based geometry recognition, SOLIDWORKS Design determines applicable section views and creates annotations such as hole callouts, geometry tolerances, and reference dimensions. Think of all the repetitive tasks you do every time you create a drawing. Many of these are now handled by the AI platform. This means your time can be better spent on fine detailing and annotating your drawings. SOLIDWORKS 2012 introduced magnet lines for arranging and organizing balloons. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2026, we can use magnet lines to align other types of model annotations such as notes, weld and surface finish symbols, revision symbols, or geometric tolerances. Draw a magnet line over existing annotations and watch them snap into alignment. Drag an annotation to attach to an available magnet line, or rearrange the order of any items. Or you can work in reverse. Drag an existing magnet line to collect any annotations in its vicinity. This is new behavior for magnet lines and will help you organize annotations and give your drawings a tidy appearance with far less manual effort. Drawings with a lot of dimensions can have a cluttered appearance that may be difficult to read and can lead to manufacturing errors. To help alleviate this, the ability to break crossing dimensions with extension lines was introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2013. Now, this capability has been enhanced to account for breaks around dimension text. Just select one or more dimension lines, right-click, and add a dimension break. The dimension break updates dynamically as a dimension is moved. If any dimensions crossing the break are added or removed, just right-click to update. This enhancement improves clarity and readability in order to avoid confusion and misinterpretation of complex drawings. Geometric tolerance frames now provide the option of entering custom text in the range fields, which previously only supported numeric values. This is very useful when symbols or letter values may be necessary. For example, entering tolerance values as a variable that might be denoted in a table, note, or tolerance block. This enhancement gives users the additional flexibility to specify geometric tolerances in more sophisticated use cases. A new standard property option provides for surface finish symbols conforming to the ISO 21920-1 profile standard. This standard provides an updated symbol style that allows for the specification of tolerance indicators. Simply choose the tolerance type and enter an optional datum reference. Not all manufacturing documentation has to be in 2D. Some vendors prefer or may even require model-based definition. New for DIM Expert and MBD, you can now hide or show multiple annotations just like in a drawing. As you select any annotation, it changes to grey, indicating it will be hidden as soon as you exit the command. To see which annotations have been hidden, just issue the command again, click on any grey annotation and return it to a shown state. This provides a more selective control over how you display and communicate design manufacturing information on your parts or assemblies. The DIM Expert Manager tab now includes a familiar filter bar. Just like in the Feature Manager tab, you can type any text string to instantly filter the display. This makes it much easier to query a complex model and reduce potential errors by isolating particular features, dimensions, or tolerance items. Enjoy these time-saving and productivity-boosting enhancements for drawings and MBD in SOLIDWORKS 2026. This collection of intuitive features can be adopted into your documentation workflows right away.